Hi everyone, I'm Gio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your wallet name on Bitget Wallet. Renaming your wallet helps you organize and personalize your account for easier management. So, let's get started on how to change your wallet name on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on your profile from the top of the list. In your profile settings, locate the wallet name option and tap on it. Tap on the custom name option. In the provided box, enter the name you want for your wallet. Finally, tap on the confirm button to save your changes. And this is how you can change your wallet name on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.